Hello students, in last class we have discussed over the concept of IPv4 addressing and some important concept of range of addresses and range for particular different classes, class A, B, C, D and E. We use the concept of range of address space, concept of network ID and host ID distributions, and some little concept about private and public IP with respect to public IP distributions. So now one more important concept of previous topic is how can identify the classes on the basis of binary number distribution. So let's take an example. Suppose that a problem is given in terms of suppose a address, for example, given as, suppose the example is given is following pattern in which address in terms of binary notation. So as we know that a first octet or through first octet we can differentiate different classes. So if the problem is given in this pattern, so how can identify with these values? So actually a concept behind this is particularly class A, if the first octet is starting from 0, we can surely say that the class belonging is A. If class B, so the starting of first octet is 1 0. If class C, so the starting address is 1 1 0. If class D, the address is starting with 1 1 1 0. And class E, we can identify through if given first octet in the form of 1 1 1 1. So through this binary pattern we can identify the class address very simply. So suppose the example is given in this pattern, so we can check the first octet, and in this octet only this value can match from this pattern. So we can easily say that the given class is in C. So how this concept can be this concept can be derived? So it can be understand through the concept of a universal space which is represented through 2 to the power 0. That means this is one unique region which is represent through 0 bit, or we can say number of bits are 0. So this is our universal region which can identify through no any number of bits. But if we divide this region in two parts, so how can differentiate both these regions with the help of bit representation? So we can easily see that if this region represent through 0 and this region represent through 1, we can easily understand that or differentiate this region very easily. So that means if we take a number of bits is 1, so that means 2 unique region we get here. So in this similar way we can derive more than 2 region. So suppose take 3 रीजन. सो 3 यूनिक रीजन को डिज़ाइन करने के लिए मुझे यहाँ पर किस तरीके से डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन फॉलो करना होगा. सो हम यहाँ पर क्या करेंगे कि फॉर सपोज वी टेक 0 फॉर पर्टिकुलर रीजन एंड 1 इज़ फॉर पर्टिकुलर रीजन. सो वी कैन कंटिन्यू दिस मैनर इफ़ वी डिवाइड दिस रीजन इन दिस वे. सो दैट मीन्स कि हमने यहाँ पर इस रीजन को तो फिक्स कर दिया पर्टिकुलर किसी क्लास में, लेकिन अब हमारे पास रीजन को और एक्सटेंड करना है. तो ऐसे केस में हमने 1 के रीजन को फर्दर डिवाइड कर लिया. तो इस केस में हम फिर यहाँ पर इस रीजन को डिवाइड करने के लिए फर्दर हम यहाँ पर 0 और 1 से रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. सो अगर हम इसको कहें तो दिस इज़ रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ 1 0 रीजन एंड दिस इज़ 1 1. सो ईजली वी कैन सी दैट दिस इज़ क्लास A सो क्लास ए को रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए हमने यहाँ पर 0 बिट ही अगर मुझे मिले तो हम आइडेंटिफाई उसको ईजिली कर लेंगे। क्लास बी की बात करें तो क्लास बी को मैंने 10 से किया था, सो दिस इज़ क्लास बी रीजन। और इसकी बात करें तो इसमें हम फर्दर डिवीज़न और भी ला सकते हैं। सो फर्दर डिवीज़न के लिए हमारे पास क्लास सी डी ई अभी बाकी हैं, तो हम इसको फर्दर डिवाइड करेंगे। तो जैसे हम इसको डिवाइड करेंगे तो हम इसको 0 और 1 से फर्दर डिवाइड कर सकते हैं। सो दैट मीन दिस रीजन कैन बी 1 1 0 एंड दिस रीजन कैन बी 1 1 एंड 1. So 1 1 0 represent as class C region, and now this region can further be divided in two parts with 0 and 1. So in this case, if this region is 1 1 1 and append this 0, so 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 is represent class D region, and this is class E region. So through this manner we can easily understand that how can derive unique region with the help of binary representation. So I hope all you students can get this concept, and problem based upon this type of address classification, and you can solve it very easily. Now comes to the next topic,